Today I'm going to show you how to make Easter egg chocolate cornflake nests. You will need 4 small Easter eggs, so mine were 6 centimetres tall by 4 centimetres wide. If you do have an Easter egg mould, like a smaller one, you can make your own shells if you want. I just wanted to do this the easiest way possible, so I went out and I bought a Easter egg hunt kit, which came with a smaller chocolate egg. If you want to scale this up and do it for a slightly bigger Easter egg, by all means go for it. I just quite like them being bite-sized. So firstly, we're going to want to halve our Easter eggs. So I have a mug of boiling water, so do be careful. Pop your knife in the mug of boiling water just to allow the knife to warm up. Leave it in there for a minute, then take it out, make sure all the water is wiped off the knife blade, and then just run it around the seam of the Easter egg. So what this is going to do, it's going to melt the chocolate around the seam of the Easter egg, which is going to mean that you're less likely to break the egg. If you do break it, just use the heat off the knife just to melt the break point slightly, so then you can stick the egg back together. Then for the filling, you will need 20 grams of cornflakes, 50 grams of chocolate, and 50 grams of mini eggs, although I didn't actually use them all. So firstly, having chopped up your chocolate, you want to pop this in the microwave to melt it. So initially for 30 seconds, take it out, give it a stir, and then pop it in for 20 seconds at a time, taking it out, just giving it a stir after each time. This will help keep the chocolate more likely to be tempered once it's finished. It's kind of the cheats version of it. It just keeps the temperature low enough that it shouldn't affect the chocolate crystals. But just keep doing that until your chocolate is melted. Then add your cornflakes and give it a really good stir until the cornflakes are coated in chocolate. And then just spoon these into your Easter egg shells. And then simply top with a mini egg each. And then I popped this into the fridge for about an hour just to let it all set up. And there you have it. That is how you make Easter egg chocolate cornflake nests.